Thank you for reaching 50 subscribers. In celebration of this, we will talk about Amargasarus kowalsii, or Amargasarus for short. It was a small sauropod that lived during the early Cretaceous period, around 132 to 127 million years ago. And they primarily lived in what is now Patagonia. They weighed 90,000 kilograms or 3 to 5 tons and reaching heights of up to 4 meters or 13 feet. They reached lengths over 20 meters or 60 feet in length. Their sauropod stands out for their elongated neural spines, which can extend up to 15 centimeters or 20 inches long, present throughout the length of this animal. There have been numerous theories on what exactly these elongated neurospines were used for, ranging from temperature regulation, defense. The spines might have been covered in flesh, creating a hump-like structure similar to those found in bison and buffaloes of today, or simply mating displays. Like all other sauropod dinosaurs, the Amargasaurus was herbivorous, feeding on low-lying plants and likely moved in herds, which could have provided protection from predators. Amargasaurus was specifically a member of the Digrasauridae, characterized for having relatively smaller necks, and two other genera are based on their fossil records. They were isolated to Gondwana when Pangaea split during the early Jurassic. In 1997, an expedition to Patagonia discovered a nesting ground that contained thousands of fossilized dinosaur eggs belonging to this sauropod, thus confirming that the Amargasaurus laid eggs in communal nesting grounds, a common behavior among most sauropods. Dinosaur would be considered a lumbering creature that was often roaming large distance, finding large quantities of food to keep their body up and running. Each egg from this animal would be approximately 12 to 15 centimeters or 5 to 6 inches. The eggs were arranged in a cluster consisting of 6 to 12 eggs. Parental care was likely limited due to their large sizes, though it is possible that they did protect their eggs. It is not quite clear if the Amargasaurus took care of their young after hatching, though fossil tracks imply that younger individuals were adopted into a herd of larger and older animals. The Amargasaurus likely reached sexual maturity in less than 20 years. The climate of the early Cretaceous period was warm and humid, contributing to lush forests and fertile plains. In addition to gymnosperms, non-flowering plants, angiosperms appeared for the first time and began to quickly evolve into many different species. This evolutionary step supported an increase in diversity of insects as well as the diversity of small mammals. They shared a home with a wide variety of herbivorous dinosaurs such as Agastenia and other sauropods, and were likely preyed on by Tyrannotitan, a 12-meter long or 39 feet long meat-eating theropod. Like all of the non-avian dinosaurs, Amargasaurus eventually disappeared. Scientists believe that a variety of factors contributed to their extinctions. Changes in climate might have alternated its habitat, making it harder to find food or sustainable places to live. Shifts in vegetation that could have affected the availability of plants that this creature relied on, forcing it to compete with other herbivore dinosaurs. Over time, new predators may have emerged, putting additional pressure to the Amargasaurus. thus resulting in their extinction.